Have you ever wondered how to boost your sales on an e-commerce platform like Shopee? Well, you're in the right place because there's a fascinating technique that could help you out. This technique is called the Shopee sales funnel. You might be curious, what exactly is this funnel, and how can it help your sales on Shopee? Allow me to explain in a simple ABC manner. Imagine you have a large funnel, like the one you often use in your kitchen. At the top of the funnel, you insert potential customers. These customers then descend down the funnel, and the longer they stay within it, the greater the chance they will make a purchase. The first step in the Shopee sales funnel technique is the product listing stage. This is the time to ensure your products are displayed attractively and enticingly. It's like dressing up for a dinner party. You want to catch the attention of potential buyers and have them say, "Wow, I need to get this." Next, we have the winning product stage. This is the time for you to conduct a little sophisticated market research. Find out what products are trending on Shopee and get on that trend. By offering hot and popular products, you will have customers flocking to your virtual store like seagulls to a chip on the beach. Once you've listed and won with your products, it's time to move on to the marketing stage. This is when you need to get creative and start promoting your products to the best of your ability. Use visually appealing images, captivating descriptions, and perhaps add a dash of humor to attract potential buyers. Remember, you want them to be unable to resist clicking that Buy Now button. Now that you've piqued the interest of potential buyers, it's time to move on to the maintenance stage. This is all about providing excellent customer service and ensuring your customers are happy and satisfied. Respond to queries promptly, resolve arising issues, and strive to provide customer service that exceeds expectations. Happy customers will come back for more, friends. Finally, we have the advanced sales stage. This is when you can further boost your sales in a more sophisticated way. Think about upselling, cross-selling, and all the advanced techniques that savvy marketers always talk about. By maximizing your sales opportunities, money will flow in like a tap, fast and plentiful. So, there you have it, the secret to the Shopee sales funnel that I've shared with you. This technique has proven effective in consistently increasing your sales on the Shopee platform. If you want to learn more and become a sales superstar on Shopee, I have an ebook full of special tips and tricks for Shopee sellers like you. Trust me.